Beep beep. My mic is muted on TeamSpeak. It goes beep beep. My mic is muted on the team. Thank you. Okay, I'm almost there. Just 1,200 more blocks. I totally could have been there already if I had just gone the right way. Just 1,169 more blocks to go. Beep beep. Wait, I'm gonna try and predict it when it comes, like, on the next one. Ready? Wait, okay, 3, 2, 1. Beep beep! Oh, I was too early! Okay, wait, I can do this, I can do this. Oh my god, I keep missing it. Beep beep! Stupid idiot! Okay, wait, I can time it,
Hey, listen!
Beep beep! No! Okay, I don't care. Oh, thank you for... I'm tired of the beep beep. Alright, at first I liked it, now I hate it. Just 1,000 more blocks. I'm really tempted to waste my ender pearls, but I'm not going to do it. Please, Skeppy, I already saw your donation. Why did you donate it again? I did. Okay, I'm gonna get it this time. Beep beep! What, so now it just stops? Oh, okay. Why was that one like 10 times longer than... There's no pattern to this. It's random. Whoever designed TeamSpeak just said I want to have it go every... Never mind. Why am I ranting about this? Beep beep! Almost there. Nearly there. Almost there. Nearly there. Beep beep! Okay. I thought if I caught it off guard.